So hello everyone and welcome back to the part 2 of this tutorial. So basically in this video we will completely go through the authentication of the Firebase, and I will also show you the app which we have created. So in the last video send user to home activity. So what happened is that in the last video we have more like it was completely based on design section, because we have designed this part, and then we have designed this activity main in which the user will log in the activity home. The user will get to see a message that he is logged in, and in the activity register the user will register himself. And now we were creating the very first activity, which was the register activity, and here we have assigned this already have an account. So if you haven't watched that video, you can just go ahead and watch the video, and in this video we will continue the same, and we'll make sure to complete the overall the login activity, register activity, and all to the maximum extent which we can. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we can see that we have already created this, already have an account. So what will happen is when the user will click on this, so he will go to the login activity, that is main activity here. So first and we have also given this one, that we have already also sent the user intent to the login activity. Alright, that is main activity in another terms. So okay, let's see how we will register the user. So here the user will enter his email, which is regimail, that is ID, and here he will enter the password and he will click on this button. So there are two clicking points, first is this one and second is this one. So when the user will click on sign up button, so what will happen is here we have assigned the sign up button as reg button. So what we'll do is we will write reg button dot set on click listener. New view on click listener. Okay, and we will send user to home activity. Alright, but before sending user to home activity, we will have to register him. So we will write register user. Alright, create method. We'll click on register activity and we'll move on to here. Now what we'll do here is we'll register the user. So how we'll register the user? So first we'll take his email address. So we'll write string email ID, EMID. Now that is equals to the email which he has entered, which we'll take in this one. So this is email. So this is email dot get text dot toString. Alright. Now again the user will enter his password. So we'll take that as well. So string here is string. PWD stands for password. Now here he will take. So this is password. So this is password dot get text dot toString. Alright. Now what? Now we'll go ahead and check whether if the user has entered a valid email address or a valid password. It means that whether the user hasn't entered a null. So we'll check email ID dot is empty. If it is empty, then what? Then we'll set the email to we'll set the error as enter your email. You can add any manual text here. Okay, and then is email dot request focus. Okay, so here this is request focus. Alright, now we'll check for the password whether that is empty or not. Else password dot, अगर password empty है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि we'll tell the user that please enter the password. Please enter password. Okay, and yeah, you can give this as well, don't get confused. You can use this as this also, and you can give this also. These two are used for indicating the highlighting the text or indicating some messages, some kind of messages, so it's okay. Now if the user has entered the both, that is email and password, so we'll go to the else section of this one. So if the user has entered the both, then what? Then we'll create his account. So this is Firebase. We have assigned the Firebase or not? Okay, we haven't assigned the Firebase. So we'll go ahead and Firebase auth Firebee for stands for Firebase. Now we'll initialize the Firebase here. Firebee equals to Firebase auth dot get instance. Alright. Now here we'll use this Firebee dot create user with email and password, and we'll pass this email ID, which is EMID and password, over this one dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener. And then here we will check whether the first, make sure to give a semicolon here because it will keep showing error. So we'll check whether the task dot, if it is successful. If it is not successful, first we'll check for if it is not successful, then it will show a error message. Alright, okay, so it will show error message toast that please try again. Alright, and or you can simply write error plus task dot get exception dot to string. Okay, so what it will do is it will tell the error, it will tell the user that what error he has committed. Okay, so dot show. Okay, we'll have to simply write dot get exception in order to prevent the error. Okay, so if task is not successful, and if it is successful, then he will a toast message will be shown that task is successful or registered successful, and then it will take the user to home activity. Now we haven't decorated this home activity, so we'll have to decorate this, but for now